Welcome to MRIGS SSP. In this video, we will be talking about how to raise a ticket, how to close a ticket, and how to view the tickets, and so forth. So for that, write ruralskills.in in your address bar. It will show the home page of MRIGS portal. In the extreme right, you will see MRIGS SSP logo. Click on that logo. It will open a page over where you'll see welcome to MRIGS, feature of MRIGS, about MRIGS SSP, and basically how to raise a ticket. This is the small manual which you need to go through with this video as well. In the extreme right is the login button. Click on that. You need to enter your credentials, which is your username and default password. Default password is p326@capsmord and login. Once you log in, you see 4 options up here: home, view tickets, new ticket, and search. These are the same options on the home page which you see before logging in. So let's go to view tickets. When you click view tickets, then you see available reports. Over here, the reports are available in various formats. If you want to see active tickets for PFMS, click on active tickets for PFMS. Over here, you can see the summary. Summary is basically the title of that query which has been raised, then reporter, which is usually the PRN number of the PIA if the ticket has been raised by the PIA. Category, subcategory, type of the ticket, and for whom the ticket has been raised to. And it shows status, priority, and the date on which the ticket has been created. Okay, let's say you want to see what are the tickets which have been closed for PFMS. Right now, there are no matches found because there are no closed tickets for PFMS, but the format is same for viewing the tickets like active tickets. Let's go to see how to raise a ticket. Click on new ticket. When you click on new ticket, the summary comes, the first heading, which is usually the heading of the query. Then comes the description. Description is the detailed query. Over here, you need to mention in the simple basic manner what is the query issue you are facing. And it should be detailed. Then comes the type of the ticket. Technical, functional, server issue, data entry error, it's a query, simple, enhancement, new functionality, and suggestion, observation, and defect. Then comes the priority. If it is a showstopper, you click on blocker. Otherwise, you prioritize the issue, which depends on you. When you click on project, it will ask if it is MRIGS and PFMS. Let's see PFMS first. So if you click PFMS, the drop downs and the menu will also change. The components will be default PFMS. User group will be PIA, CTSA, which is NIRD or NAPCONS, and MORD. Then PFMS category. You can select from this category what kind of issue it is. Bank validation or deduction, transfer, vendor registration. You can place your issue in the specified categories. Then comes PFMS subcategory, which will come basically if you enter some data in the category, based on which the subcategory drop down will change. Then you enter your contact number over which you can be reached out by the technical team for the contact. Owner has to be default always. You don't need to change it. If you have a screenshot of the issue, then you add that file, choose file, browse that screenshot and attach it here. You can also give description of the file, which is optional. Giving screenshot is also not a compulsory option in raising a ticket. Then press create ticket. Since I have not entered any query, it's giving me an error. But these are the details which we have selected, which are shown below. You can see reported by, priority, project, not selected. This category and subcategory are coming so forth. You can also modify your ticket after you raised it. You can reassign the ticket. You can preview the ticket also. That's all for today. Thank you so much.